Silence is never truly silent. It's in the wind, carving patterns in the snow. The distant call of a bird. And sometimes, in the whisper of your own breath, I'll hear time slows. You become fully aware of your surroundings, yet somehow detached. It's like drifting in and out of a meditative state. Quiet isn't the total absence of sound. It's a state of calm, free from distractions. And in a world that never stops moving, finding stillness is an art. One that nature teaches effortlessly. And all that's left is the quiet, waiting to be heard.